Ya, itu na yayu semua jatuh wapok dalam diri saya. Ini baik malah ya maju di kau populer dengan apa kecil. Dia berkembang waktu maju, ya masih banyak berkembang walau kembang harus sudah wajib. Boleh lah bawa abang beno orang kecil jauh. Ya sudah awal ini jatuh di sini pada sini jatuh kalau jauh kita company dia yang keseluruhan. Awal pak mulai peyon Pak Salah ulang baik, dia tidak mau pakai ni, Pak mau dan tu wasu. Yang ini ciri dia siap berapa mungkin ciri dia wasu dia beno yang film dari dia ucap si Kuruppu, kalau salah sudah wasu, lalu semua Haylanni dia mau lalu Kuruppu, dia disebut sudah mau film dia Pak mau dia sudah kan Pak Ramu.
Mighty. Wow, okay. All right, so put your hands up if you're from Robert Louis Stevenson Primary. Come on, woohoo! Let's round of applause, kids. Put your hands up if you're from East Chapel Primary. Nice, round of applause. From Samoa Primary. Nice, round of applause. Put your hands up if you're from Aloaia Academy Primary. Put your hand up if you're from the greatest primary school ever, Moka'a Primary. Well, thank you all for coming. I just want to firstly thank our Heavenly Father for this great opportunity that I have to come here and speak in front of you all. And also, I would like to thank you, staff, for hosting this amazing event to be able to speak on behalf and to also read my book. And more importantly, thank you, teachers, guests, and students for coming as well today. So I'm just going to grab my book. So today, this afternoon, kids, we are here because of this book. Okay? So it's in English, so it's called Haylanni, The Journey to Samoa. And when you flip it, it's in Samoa. So isn't that so cool? Is that cool? Yes. Awesome. So I want to ask you kids a question. That what do you think this book is about? Hands up, hands up, hands up. Yes. Good job. What else? Yes. How I became Miss Samoa? Yes. One more. It's about the lifestyle and culture of Samoa. Thank you very much. So, students, one of my favorite quotes, and it's one of my favorite, I'm an athlete kid, so I love playing basketball, I love playing netball, I love playing rugby sevens, and so my favorite player, which is Kobe Bryant. Yes! Yo! Who knows Kobe Bryant? Yeah. Put your hands up. Yeah, he's a basketball player, yeah. Nice. And so one of his quotes that he always said is, every interview that he went to, every meeting he went to, his favorite quote was that it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. He always said that on TV and all his media. You always see him saying that. And so that's the reason why I've actually named it this. Just because of Kobe Bryant, it's my journey to Miss Samoa. And so once a week kids, Moka'a Primary knows is that I volunteer every Wednesday morning to speak and to also teach kids English and also read books to kids in El Moka'a. And so I hold close to this so close because I used to go to Moka'a Primary. When I was in year 3 and in year 4, I actually lived here in Samoa and I attended Moka'a Primary. That's why I have so much love. Why can't I? Why can't I write a book? And so I always question about who do I go to, and all those questions. But I remember returning a book to the principal's office and I saw a stack of fresh books just like that one over there. And I remember this so vividly, kids. I saw a book called Aloaia and Tafeaga School Holiday, and my mom was beside me at the time, and I was looking at the front of the cover, and it said, the writer, his name was called Tony Laulu. And then my mom goes, hey, that's your uncle Tony Laulu. And I was so shocked because I have a contact. I can write a book. That's someone I can network with. That's someone I can talk to write a book. And so I called up Tony that exact morning and I sent that exact evening and I said, Uncle Tony, I really want to write a book and I really, really, really need your help. But I have a small request and it's to be done by Samoa language week, which was last week. And so this book has been made in 2 months, kids. This book in 2 months. That's not common. It takes a very long time for a book to be written. And so for my uncle to be able to help me to write this book for you, that is truly because of God's work. It's truly because of our Heavenly Father. He definitely has this plan for us, and He's definitely given me this blessing to share with you. And so my objective for the book is the reason why I wrote this book. And it's purely because I want young Samoan people, just like yourselves, to pick this up, to read it, and I want you to relate to it. Because it talks about my upbringing, and I know that you experience the exact same things that I experienced as well. And so this book is about being bold kids. It's about being fearless. It's about knowing that being different is beautiful. And so this book highlights my struggles as Miss Samoa and as Haylanni, and it talks about my challenges and my insecurities, and it teaches children to be resilient. And so it connects the culture through language, which is expressed in English and Samoan, and it shows my God-gifted talent. So who remembers my talent? Does anybody know my talent? My secret talent? Put your hands up. Let's go. Yeah.
A ballerina.
Ballerina? Yes. The thing on the string? Oh yeah, okay. One more. What's my secret talent? Dancing, yes, you're all correct. And so my secret talent, kids, is something that I really want to actually explain this to you. So I already told you I'm a basketballer, I'm a rugby player, I'm a netball player. When I go on stage, I can't show that to someone because I don't have a ball, I have to show something else. And so one of my unique talents was dancing. It's like a different type of dancing, not your hip-hop dancing, not your Samoa. It's a very beautiful type of dance. It's called contemporary. And it's called gymnastics. It shows flexibility, it shows your core strength, your upper body strength. And so it's a lot. And so I know it's very unique to Samoa, but I practice so hard every day just to show you all. And so this book talks about actually I want to show you a page. Alright kids, I'm going to show you my favorite page in my book. How cool is this? That's one of my favorite pages on my book. It shows my talent. It shows all my flexibility, and I know that you guys can do it one day as well. If you put hard work into it. And so, here's my book embraces diversity. As you all know, does anybody know what my other half is? Or half Samoan and half Jamaican? Correct! That's very spot on. So yes, I'm half Samoan and half Jamaican. So this book talks about that. It talks about being in my Samoan culture, and it talks about being in my Jamaican culture, and it also talks about me being Australian born as well. And so that's something that's very unique as well. And so it also talks about my faith and having so much faith in the Lord. I will say, coming to be with Samoa, I never ever would put my hand up to be with Samoa because I'm an athlete. I like playing rugby, I love all the sports, and so I never was a girly girl. So I never liked the nails because I had to cut it for basketball. I never was that type of girl. But when Heavenly Father gave me this opportunity, why should I let it down? Exactly. So I took that opportunity and I went purely for experience, and I won. And so here I am, and I'm sharing this with you because that's exactly what my book talks about. My book also talks about kids as the challenges of being half Samoan, half Sri Lankan, and Australian born. It talks about kids bullying me when I was young. That's not funny when everyone laughing. But it talks about the different ways people looked at me. It talks about different things. So I'm very excited for you guys to read it and also really experience that as well. I just want to leave off with this. Is that definition of greatness is to inspire the people next to you. It's not something that lives and dies with one person. It's how you can inspire the person next to you that to inspire another person. And that's how we create something that will last forever. And so I just want to lastly leave this with you, is that life is full of challenges. And in moments when you feel alone, may my story serve as a reminder that all you need is a few good people, self-belief, and unwavering faith in God, and you can achieve anything in life you truly put your mind to. And I love you.
Ya, tu pasal tu awal tu ya, untuk apa musim macam apa fikir ya, cara kita harus
Yung may sana po lang na yung chance o Samoa, yung mamalo yung basin o kaya o kaya nga yung kaya o nga, yung mamalo matua, ay may sige o rin awal ang yung chance pa chance yung kakawin na iya. Anong ka na, mas sila Yun lang ang pag-say sa ikisiya, sa diya po naman ang diya, sa pag-pagkasinan, yung awal may pagsandinan, yung pag-moy. Kasi pa mo sa hotel, kasi yung sala, yung po namin ito, kasi yung maita yung Haylanni Kuruppu, sa Samoa. Yung was say mo, muna na yung tusi siya, at sa Samoa. Ipatyo na pa ang mga winay, dalawang salaanga, yan yung say, po yung bayan o kanaya. Paatsaw yung wina, ayun pa yun, ang siya, sulang ang mawag-mawag, hindi ka din, yung mga game po sa kanto, kasulong. Kalumaya mo ng ulo film niya, kasi sila ila pa o say, pagsalangin yung nga na Pertania. Ms. Samoa Haylanni Kuruppu, principals of the schools that are here with us today, teachers and all the students that are here, thank you so much for making the time to come down. We are deeply grateful and thankful. I speak on behalf of our CEO, who is also the owner of SAB, of the Live, to convey our gratitude and our sincere appreciation to you all for making the time to be here. As you all know, SAB's heart from the start, it is also our banner and our signature community involvement. It is all within education and developing literacy and promoting at the same time. This is not the first time that we have conducted book signings and book launches, and this is the start, for Ambassador Alyssa, our beauty queen. And we're very proud to carry and to be a part of your journey. Thank you so much, Haylanni, for giving us the exclusivity to actually have this book signing conducted and also the launch last week. Last week, our CEO, as well as our management staff, are deeply thankful because of your heart for our children who are here today, and also your heart to help with our literacy programs, and not forgetting also your commitment and dedication to our people. Amin sa tono tao, but just a few reminders with regards to our book is coming on sale. Manaturing mo sa tusi Haylanni, umamay-sa-amazing Haylanni, The Journey to Miss Samoa. Much all smart. I am super proud to be a Samoan today. Samoan should in English. But the book is normally 55 tala, but it's now on special for today only for only 49 tala, 90 daily. And you have to make sure that you get your copy. So you go and pay first, bring your book and your receipt to Haylanni before she can actually sign, and put up a very beautiful note, encouraging note to inspire you and motivate you to do the very best and whatever you want to do in life, as long as these are all good things. Let's come Talanga, again on behalf of our CEO, that wine, and our management staff. Thank you again for coming down to support our beautiful Miss Samoa Haylanni Kuruppu's book signing. To today. Ikaw turun sa ako pia sa mo dia benai ikut konte ikut maino ay to pakyente ya. That is the hustle of my sia. The hustle of my sin and that's accepts. Very grateful. Thank you once again.
Ya, cuma sesuatu soal ya. Natu ya lewatan semua main sikui ya mana banyak murid-murid yang po kalam ini